Welcome to Piano with Mr. Wright. Today we are going to do Minuet in G major. I will post this sheet music in the link below in the description in the YouTube page. Last week we did Minuet in G, a simple version, and so I suggest starting with that if you are new to the piano. This song is a classic, and it's a song you can play the rest of your life. It is quite challenging, and it may take you some time to learn the song, so be very patient with yourself. I'll do my best to play it mistake-free if I can first time through. This is what it should sound like. Okay, I did make a couple mistakes there, but that's the rough idea. You might go on YouTube and get some more perfect performances. I'm going to start with the right hand, okay? As we remember, finger numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The finger numbers are labeled on your sheet music. You can see clearly that I've written the finger numbers on them. Sometimes people change the finger numbers a little bit, and that is fine. So if you find a particular fingering is not working for you at all, certain fingerings you can change. Let's start with the right hand. Here's middle C. It starts on this D here, okay? It is in key of G, which means there's one sharp, which is the F sharp. So instead of playing F, you play F sharp each time. There is an F on the sheet music. So it starts on this D. Here's middle C and D. It starts here with the pinky fingers, so it goes 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 1. Up to the E now, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 1. Good. Second 4 measures, so the second line, we're on a C with the fourth finger, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. What you're going to do is you're cross over, the 1 is on the G, you're going to cross over to the F sharp and right back to the G with the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, okay? Now this 3, 2 here, some people play it as, that's how it's written, but some people make it more of a quarter note and elongate that note a little bit. Both are considered probably acceptable. The next 4 measures are the same as the first 4 measures, exactly, at least in the right hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 1, 1, up to the E, 5, 1, 2, 3, F sharp, G, down the octave. Now the last 4 measures, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. This is a little bit different than earlier. Earlier we went to the F sharp, now we're going to G to the A, 3, 2, 1, 2. You can go back to the 1 or 2, 3 at the end, okay? So that's the right hand. And I think we'll stop there. If you need to go back and watch it again, that's fine. The first 4 measures are the same as the measures 8 through 12, which is really, really helpful. I would get the right hand, get comfortable with that first. It is the more challenging of the 2 hands in this song. All right, next, the left hand starts with the G chord. Here's middle C, and the G below that, put your pinky and your middle finger and your thumb, and it makes a G chord in root position. We call that G, B, and D all at the same time, okay? If you haven't played a lot, you might have trouble with these 2 fingers in the way. Really, don't do this or this. That's gonna work against you. Make sure pinky and middle and thumb, okay? These 2 fingers can rest on the keyboard. That's an acceptable choice, okay? So here we go. So G chord, then 4, 3, and then 2, and then 3, continuing 4, 5, and then 1, 3, 5, 1, and this, we're at the 8th measure now. D, D, that's going to be an octave, thumb, pinky, and you don't have to play them at the same time. You don't have to stretch and try and do both. 1 and then the 5 and then the 1 again, but instead of the D, go to the C. 1, 2, 3, Yeah, so let me do that again. D, D, C, B, A. Let me do finger numbers now. 1, 5, 1, 2, 3. We're on the third system now, the third line there. We're on the B note. 2, 3, 4, 2, 4. 1, middle C, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to shift over, interesting. So on the fourth line, our fourth finger's on the G. We're going to shift here and just squeeze a little bit and go the 2 on the A, 4 on the F sharp, 3, and then to end it, 1, 2, 1, 5. Let me do that last line for you. So I squeezed over 2, 4, 3, 1, 2, 1. So I crawled upwards. 1, 2, 1. And if you need to rotate your wrist and arm a little bit, that's fine to help yourself out. Let's start at the beginning of those bottom system again. So 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry, 2, 4, 3, 1, 2, 1, 5. 1, 5. So these last 4 notes are octaves. D, D, G, G. And again, you don't have to hold the notes. You just play the note, let go, play the note, let go, G, let go to the G. Okay? And then I would say work on the 2 hands separately for a long time until you feel quite comfortable, and then slowly put it together. Here's the first 4 measures. Let's try that again. First 4 measures slowly. Like so. Okay? Enjoy that. It's a great piece. Just for history buffs, just a little bit of note. Minuet in G was found in Anna Magdalena Bach's notebook, who is Bach's wife. And so we know about this song because she played piano and kept a copy in her private notebook of collections. So thank you, Bach's wife, Anna Magdalena Bach, for your helping us out. Okay, have a great week, everyone.